Okay, and here he is, my second unboxing video. This is going to be on the Sony Xperia ZL. Now, this product here I already opened previously. See the box, primarily white on the top, red around the corners, and the back of the Sony Xperia box displaying my camera cannot focus on it. But anyways, open the box up and you come across the phone in its plastic bag to protect its casing, and it is quite a casing that is. And I don't know what I'm saying, but I will just say anything regardless. So here's the phone. The particular one I got is a red Xperia. So it is the perks of being a long-time loyal T-Mobile customer and buying and registering a lot of Sony products over the years as well. Because of that loyalty from both, able to garner up lots of discounts to obtain this mobile phone at a reasonable price of two of them for a total of 150 bucks. That is right, two of these Xperia XLs for circa 150 buck, give or take a few cents. One and two. There's the second one. Back to this one. So, unveil the box, and it has several pieces of accessories in here. You have the adapter for the charger to plug it into a US outlet or whatnot. This is the cable, the USB cable that connects it to the adapter, enabling you to plug it into an outlet. Over here we have some included headphones with a 3.5mm jack headphones that come with it. I believe here are some extra earbuds per se. And then within this little compartment you have all of the documentation for this product, instruction guide, startup guide, and various other instruction manuals. Some are the exact duplicate of the English form, just in Spanish language. So that is the box of what goes into the Xperia ZL. Please believe. Probably cannot see it here, but within the box there is a very subtle relief of the word Xperia on the box. So there it is. My second unboxing. Thank you for bearing with me. I'm getting the hang of this unboxing type procedure. Hopefully my third one will probably come in the next few months in the form of a PlayStation 4 and all that stuff. So hope you enjoyed this video, and this one's for you, pal.